Hi, welcome to CTM. CTM has collaborated with a local fashion designer, and in doing so, we have created the Makhetha Ivory Satin Ceramic Wall Tile. Now come have a look at the detail of this wall tile. This wall tile is sized at 300 by 600 millimeters in length. So as I run my hand over it, I can feel the grooves within this tile. This tile is a very durable tile, so I would love to show you this tile on a board. Can you see the geometric patterns that runs through this tile? And on closer inspection, you can see stunning detailed patterns within this tile. Well, this is an amazing statement piece that you can have on your walls. So add it to your cart and we'll deliver it to your doorstep. And once again, thank you for shopping at CTM.